So this fellow right over here told me that there's pike in here, so I started casting around and one just bit me off. I just hooked into a fish right here on my crankbait, and it's a pike. It's pulling pretty hard. Ooh boy, finally got a fish out of this creek right here. Oh, he's hooked just in the side of the mouth too. Hopefully he doesn't break my line. Where is he? He's under the weeds there. I can't get him out of the weeds. It's a pretty good looking pike. You can see him there. He's almost got himself unhooked. Not quite, but I didn't bring my net with me either. Kind of a mistake, I guess. I'm right on the edge of this creek. If I can get him in here closer into the weeds, I should be able to get him off there. There we go. There's a nice looking pike right there. See if I can grab him. Oh yeah. There we go. Was able to grab him successfully. Oh no! Oh, he went back in the water. He's not quite all the way in there yet. I might still be able to grab him so you can see. Well, he's unhooked. Slipped out of there. I was able to recover him. So you can get a good look at him here. There we go. That's a nice pike. Boy, this side of this little creek right here. It's a good looking pike right there. Alright, let's let him go. See you later, Mr. Pike. There he goes. So I'm in the deep brush over here, and this is, I believe, Fish Creek. If that's my only pike, then thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this very short episode of Fishing Pleasures, and I'll see you next time. Yes, this grass is almost as tall as I am. Some of it, walking through it's a little tough. Just got a fish here. He missed the initial strike. It was on a crankbait. It's looks like a largemouth bass. I just got done saying, man, I want to catch one more fish before I leave today, and I did. This nice looking largemouth bass. This guy went after that crankbait. Nice little largemouth bass here. It's a good fish. Alright, 2 fish for today. That makes me feel better. And there he goes. Cool. Not bad. 2 fish for today. One nice pike and a nice little bass there.